Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. If you want to get automatic updates on our new uploads, please subscribe to Veda Ghosham channel, click all notifications and press the bell icon. Immediately following Ratha Saptami is Bheeshmashtami, where everyone is recommended to perform Bhishma Tarpana. The one who has father or doesn't have father, each and everyone should perform this Tarpana as per Dharma Shastra. I give you the procedure in the video, and I have given you the mantras not only in the video but also in the description box, which you can copy and use to perform this procedure on Bheeshmashtami. So Bheeshmashtami is the auspicious day when Bhishma Pitamaha, who had the great treasure of penance and dharma, left in the Uttarayana Punya Kala to Svargaloka after Mahabharata Yuddha. And on this day he gave a boon that those people who satisfy me with tila or sesame seeds and water and offer tarpana to me, I will bless them with a good progeny. And that is why all of us are recommended to perform Bhishma Tarpana on Bheeshmashtami. Maghe Masi Sitashthamyam Satilam Bhishma Tarpanam Shraddhancha ye nara kuryuste syuhu santati bhaginaha. The one who performs on the Shukla Paksha Ashtami, this Bheeshmashtami Vrata, will be blessed with santati or a good progeny. Shuklashthamyam tu maghasya dadyat bhishmaya yojalam samvatsara kritam papam takshanadeva nashyati. The one who offers tarpana, water, to Bhishma on this particular day of Ashtami during Magha Masa, the papas or the sins which have been committed in 1 year will be destroyed immediately in 1 minute. Brahmanyadhyascha ye varna dadyuhu bhishmaya yojalam samvatsara kritam tesham punyam nashyati sattama. So this shloka says that irrespective of your caste, whether you are a Brahmin or you are Kshatriya or you are Vaishya or any other caste, you need to perform this Bhishma Tarpana. If you do not perform this Bhishma Tarpana on this particular day, the punya or the merits which you have earned in 1 year will get destroyed immediately, is what is mentioned. So now before we go to the mantra as well as the procedure, I would request you to please look at the screen where I have given you from where this Arghya Jala or the Tarpana Jala needs to flow during this procedure to Bhishma Pitamaha. So you can see that the area between the thumb and the index finger, this is called as Pitra Tirtha, and from this place is where the water you offer to Bhishma on this particular day should flow while chanting mantras 1, 2, 3. While you chant the mantra number 4, this water flow should now change to the Devata Tirtha or from the forefinger. So which means that when you are offering water to Bhishma Pitamaha in Bhishma Tarpana, chanting shlokas 1 to 3, it should flow out of the Pitra Tirtha, which is between the thumb and the index finger. And when you are chanting the shloka number 4, which will come on the screen shortly, the water should flow from the Devata Tirtha. So now how are you supposed to do this Tarpana? So on this day of Bheeshmashtami, of course after your bath, after wearing your traditional attire or clothes, you sit facing the east, you perform an achamana to purify yourself by sipping in water by the names of Mahavishnu, Om Achyutaya Namaha, Om Anantaya Namaha, Om Govindaya Namaha. Pray to Mahaganapati to bless you and do a pranayama and then perform a sankalpa. Mamopata samasta duritakshayadvara Shri Parameshwara Prityatham Bheeshmashtami Punyakale Bhishma Tarpana Maham Karishye. After performing this sankalpa, in case you are wearing a Yajnopavita or a Janeu, you need to change this into the opposite direction, which means it should lie on the right shoulder and it should be below your left hand. Add some sesame seeds to a kalash of water or a small pot of water which you have kept next to you, black sesame seeds, and then fill your right hand with some water and start offering this tarpana at the end of the shloka. Bheeshmashtami Veeraha Satyavadi Jitendriyaha Abhiradbhirravapnotu Putra Pautro Chitam Kriyam Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam. So offer water now. Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam. Again offer some water through Pitratirtha. Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam. Again offer water through Pitratirtha. So 3 times you need to do this. Once you finish this, then you go to shloka number 2. Vayyaghrapada Gotraya Sankritya Pravaraya Cha Aputraya Dadamargyam Salilam Bhishma Varmane Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam. Again offer water 3 times through Pitratirtha. Ganga Putraya Bhishmaya Ajanma Brahmacharine Aputraya Dadamargyam Salilam Bhishma Varmane Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam. So once again through Pitratirtha you are going to offer this water. Now you need to change the position of your Yajñopavita in case you have one. You are wearing one. You need to make it in the normal position, which means that the Yajñopavita will now lie on top of your left shoulder and below your right hand, which is the normal proper position. And now through the Devata Tirtha or the edges of your fingers, you need to offer water 3 times by chanting this mantra. Vasunam avataraya shantanoratmajaya cha argyam dadhami bhishmaya abalya brahmacharine Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam Bhishmaya Namaha Idamargyam. So similarly you offer water through the front edges of your fingers and not between the thumb and the index finger for the last or the 4th mantra. So this is an important karma in Dharma Shastra which definitely needs to be followed by one and all, those who have fathers or don't have fathers. Those who don't have father will add the black sesame seed in the water before offering this tarpana, while those who have fathers will avoid the black sesame seeds to be added in the water, and they will do it with the plain water. But otherwise, right from the changing of the Yajñopavita, if you have one, or all the other rules are common for all, irrespective of whether you have your parents alive or no. So Bhishma Tarpana is supposed to be performed by each and every one. Namo Namaha.